Interested in buying Cooler Master MH650 Gaming headset? Watch the whole video before you do that, as we will be discussing mic quality, sound quality, features and much more. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this headphone, you can head to the first link in the description below. So Cooler Master launched their 3 new gaming headsets, MH630, 650 and 670. Today we are talking about the 650 only. However, I know a lot of you are confused, like what is the difference between these 3 models. So 630 is the base models, like it has everything that a typical gaming headset has. Then 650 adds the RGB lighting, app support and 7.1 surround sound and USB connector instead of 3.5mm jack. And then the 670 is a wireless version of the 650. That's it, everything is the same. Getting that out of the way, talking about the box content, we get headphones itself, detachable mic, a velvet pouch that I lost somewhere in the studio, and a 90-degree USB-C to USB-A converter for your smartphone and some user manual. Now, talking about the overall design of the headset, it is well designed. As you can see, we have a durable construction. There is no sign of weakness as I'm trying to flex it. As you can see, these side plates are also in metal, as well as the headband, which is aluminum by the way. The cable is braided, which is a standard for any gaming equipment. Now, to control the media, we have dedicated buttons on the headset, like we have on the right ear cups, we get lighting control. This has 3 presets and you can even turn this off if you like. Along with that, we have 7.1 virtual surround sound enabler. So from here we can enable or disable that. We will discuss this when we will get to the sound quality. Along with that, we have the pointless power indicator. On the left ear cup, we have a volume knob and a mic mute button, which pressed changes the RGB to blinking red even when the RGB is turned off. Then the main wire to the headset is also connected here. Also, this is where you get to connect the detachable mic. And the nice thing is that they have also provided a flap over the detachable mic. So if when you're not using the mic, you can just cover that up. One thing I love about these headphones, and it's one of the key aspects for any gaming headphones, that these are so comfortable. The ear cups and headset are very soft, and I'm not sure if this is memory foam, but using it for a couple of hours was no issue. So I played God of War for a few hours and there was no single point in time when I felt like there is pain in my ears. The one issue I found was the headband was a bit loose, so I had to readjust sometime, but rest was fine. Also, if these ear cups worn out, you can easily replace them. Not sure where you can get those, but good luck. Coming down to the features, now most of them are like already mentioned in the video, but there is one more feature except the RGB and 7.1 surround sound, and that is app support for the PC. So you can download the Cooler Master's Master Plus app. This is a hub app for all your Cooler Master devices. From there you can do bunch of things like EQ, the sound, volume, mic levels, enable 7.1 surround sound, like you can just move the speakers the way you like. Plus you can also create sound EQ profiles, and last but not least, you can customize the RGB. That was about the features. Now let's talk about the mic. So here on the MH650 we get a omnidirectional mic, which is common in gaming headset. Speaking of the audio quality, this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on these headphones. So this is what your teammates would hear. Let's talk about the most crucial part of any audio equipment, and that is the sound quality. So here on the MH650 we get 50mm driver, which is great. Sound coming out of this thing is amazing. It is EQ'd in such a way to enhance the sound of a game, like you can clearly hear the footsteps, dialogues, guns, etc. Mids and highs are great, plus the 7.1 virtual surround sound takes audio up a notch. You will love it while playing games. So sound wise, it will open up and it will give you the feel like being present in the game even while listening to music. So it's pretty cool feature. One thing you might feel lacking would be bass. It's smooth, subtle, though it's apt for gaming, but listening to any bass heavy genre won't be that good of an experience. You will miss the low sub, but if you are solely considering this for gaming, then you can go for it. And by the way, these are quite loud and you won't hear outside noises as well. Now for the price, these headphones are priced at 4,400 rupees and $75 in the USA. So this is quite budget friendly for a gaming headset, and you can definitely give it a shot. Also, you can consider MH630 if you can trade the RGB and the 7.1 virtual surround sound for 1,400 rupees or $15. But overall, it's a good pair of gaming headset. Now you can save a couple of bucks from the description below, as I will leave the best deals there. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.